Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. This is Stan here with you. Well, today I thought of doing a small tour of my house here in Australia. So stay tuned for that. So this here is my neighborhood and that's the road to my house. This here is my house. That's the garage and that's the entrance to my house. So first I'll show you guys around the house. This is the garage. So this here is my Camry which I reviewed earlier, and that's the Hilux which I also reviewed earlier. And once you come behind here, this is the Suzuki DR650 twin cylinder. This is a pretty popular bike in Australia. There is some work to be done on this bike. I will vlog that on my channel soon once I start working on the bike. And once it's ready, we'll take it out for a spin. So that's the Suzuki DR650. Now this is the work area where we have all the tools to work on our cars and bikes. And that's the storage for rainwater. You can use that water to wash your plates, wash your hand, whatever. This is a shed that is behind. It's pretty messy, but I'll show it to you guys anyways. So this is the shed. So inside the shed, again there's another motorcycle here. This is the Honda XR400. That also is taking rest. There is some work to be done on that motorcycle. We'll do a vlog on that soon when time permits. And there's another room inside here. So this is also another shed over here which we have. So once you come out of the storage room, my other Honda 125cc is over there. We reviewed that on my channel, which I purchased recently. And then we have our helmets here. So this is the outside porch. This is where I used to practice with my bike. And yeah, so this is how it looks. This is also part of the other shed we have, where we have our trailer stored behind here. So this is part of the other shed. And so yeah, so this is the backyard. And that is the AC unit. That air condition is something which we don't see in India because that is used only here in Australia where the climate is pretty dry. It doesn't work that efficiently in humid climates. So that is that. And you can see the antenna over there. You get digital TV channels with that antenna. We don't have those in India right now. Right now we use just dishes. This was the olden days antennas which we used in the Middle Eastern countries. So that's that. And if you come behind here, we have our ladder. And behind here we have the gas heater. This is the unit that heats up all the water lines, so you get hot water with this machine. So now let's go inside my home, guys, and I'll give you a house tour. So now let's enter our house. So this is the first entrance. Okay, so as soon as you enter, we have a bedroom here on the right side. We have a bedroom here on the right side. So this is the first bedroom. And then this here is our dining room. And this is the kitchen. We have the fridge over here. And this here is the living room, where we can chill, watch Netflix or whatever you want on TV. That here is a special gas furnace. I'll show its operation separately in another vlog, but this is really very useful in the winter. Now that there is the backyard which I had shown you earlier. You can open it. It's 6 p.m. and it's already getting dark. In this area, you can actually chill out with your friends. You can have a seat, have a nice coffee. So after the living room, The next room that I need to show you is the one on the left here. This is the gym room. This is our mini gym room. Again, the window here will overlook the front porch. So that's the front entrance. And so the next room after this is our bedroom actually. So this is our bedroom. We have all our clothes inside here. So these are all our clothes. It's a bit messy, so I'm not going to show it to you guys. So that's our bed. Attached to this bedroom is our bathroom. So this is where we can take our shower. This is the place where to take the shower. And now when you open this door, this will take us directly to the toilet. This is the toilet. Okay, so this is the laundry room where we have a washing machine on top here. Then we have a clothes dryer. This one we just got it today. When it's a very cloudy day or rainy day, we can't dry our clothes, so we will need this machine. This is actually pretty necessary here in Australia. And after this, the next final room that we have here is the kids' bedroom. So this is my kids' bedroom. So this one also overlooks the backyard, which I had shown you earlier. Yep. So that's the tour of my house here in Australia, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the like button. Do consider subscribing to my channel. And until next time, this is Dan signing out. Bye bye.